everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing an unboxing, and so this is the model that we're gonna unbox. It is the Kalitta Charters Boeing 727 rated by Gemini Jets in 1/400 scale. Now I wanted to do this model because I don't have a 727 yet, and it is a freighter, so I wanted to grow my freighter collection. This model was in fact released in 2021, so it's not that old. Yeah, this is the box, nothing special, just normal Gemini Jet box. You can see the model there, specification. So they don't actually fly this plane anymore, of course. The 727 is rare. I think there might be a few still flying about in South America with Aerosucre, but it is a retro jet. Kalitta, I believe that is a American airline and charters because they lease planes to other airlines. But let's open it up and see. Oh, I do have a Gemini Jets model for some time now. Right, and nice. Right, there we go. No damage on this one. Very good. Let's zoom it in. Sorry that it's so blurry. Right. At the front here you have your cockpit windows, then your black thing below the nose. You have your nose cone. You have your boarding door for the pilots, main landing gear, Kalitta Charter titles. You have your top antenna, wings situated quite low to the ground because, of course, 727 has tail-mounted engines, so therefore the wings are quite low. You've got your engines at the back here with your T-tail. Sorry, I'm holding the phone. Okay. I don't see where the door for the cargo is. For the cargo hold, but it must be somewhere. That is your APU exhaust back here. Back there. Let me turn it around. So at the bottom you can see main landing gear, all that detail. I'm not sure what these are, these four here and that. Main landing gear and the door antenna, and here is the little flap for the stairs. So the 727 had like the stairs coming out at the back. So that is in fact the flap for that, if you were wondering. I don't know if they had that on freighters, but I know passenger versions did have. Oh, there it is, the door. You can just about see the detail. The cargo door, cargo hold. But yeah, overall a very nice model. I recommend. Thank you for watching, and I see you in the next video. Goodbye.